Hello everyone, this is Sarika Mane. We are studying the diagrammatic representation of data by using MS Excel. See the question. Draw a less than cumulative frequency curve and more than cumulative frequency curve for the following frequency distribution using MS Excel. So in first column marks are given and in second column number of students are given. Now to draw the less than cumulative frequency curve, we are considering upper boundaries of a classes and less than cumulative frequencies. So in this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, these are the upper boundaries. To draw the less than cumulative frequency curve, we are taking upper boundaries of a classes are taken on x-axis and less than cumulative frequencies on a y-axis. And a preceding class before the first class is also taken into consideration for drawing the less than cumulative frequency curve, and its corresponding frequency is 0. Now how to find the less than cumulative frequency? 5 as it is, then 5 plus 12 17, then 5 plus 12 plus 43. In this way we are calculating the less than cumulative frequencies. And to draw the more than cumulative frequency curve, lower boundaries are taken on x-axis and more than cumulative frequencies on y-axis, and in this case a succeeding class to the last class is taken with cumulative frequency 0. And how to find the more than cumulative frequency? We are starting from top bottom to top, means 8 as it is, then 8 plus 32 40, then 8 plus 32 plus 43. In this way we are calculating the more than cumulative frequencies. Now see upper boundaries and its less than cumulative frequencies. Is this 0 means this is a preceding class limit. So first step is enter the data in Excel, then select the data, then select insert menu, in that scatter, in that line. We get a this diagram. Now I have to give the chart title by using the chart layout option. On x-axis there is a upper boundaries and on y-axis less than cumulative frequency, and chart title is a less than cumulative frequency curve. Let us see the second more than cumulative frequency curve. For this we are considering lower boundaries on x-axis and more than cumulative frequencies on a y-axis. Enter the data in Excel, then select the data, then select insert menu, scatter, scatter with the smooth lines. This we get a curve. Now give the label on x-axis lower boundary and on y-axis more than cumulative frequency. Chart title is more than cumulative frequency curve. Let us see how to draw the less than cumulative frequency curve and more than cumulative frequency curve on same graph. For this, enter the data in Excel, that is class boundaries, then less than cumulative frequency column, then more than cumulative frequency column. Then select the data, then in insert menu, scatter option, then scatter with the smooth lines. We get a this curves, then give the chart titles as less than cumulative frequency curve and more than cumulative frequency curve. On y-axis, it is a cumulative frequencies. On x-axis, class boundaries. This increasing trend is called as a less than cumulative frequency curve, and this decreasing trend is called as a more than cumulative frequency curve. Thank you.